we need to talk. If you are dealing with crow's feet, the nasal folds, melasma, hyperpigmentation, large pores, or just any rough texture on the skin, this is what you need. This is the Dermrays Revive. It's a near-infrared laser. It has 1064 nm. You're talking about a super pulsed laser with this. Look how big the window is here. It's a larger window. What I love about this is it's so easy to use in the comfort of your own home. After I wash my face, I just basically make sure that this is flat against the surface, and I will cover the entire area of my face. Obviously, you want to avoid your eye area, but it is safe to use for crow's feet. So this is such an incredible device if you're really just looking for that extra step to improve the texture and the youthful look of your skin. This is really what you need to look at. Again, this is the Dermrays Revive. It's a near-infrared laser. As a master esthetician, this is a dream that you can have this at home. I cannot tell you how much I used to charge clients to get this kind of treatment in the salon. We're talking between $300 to $1,500 for a facial. To have a tool like this at home is just unbelievable. If you're struggling with hyperpigmentation or melasma, large pores, crow's feet, nasal folds, any texture going on, this is going to save you. For years, I've been helping clients achieve radiant skin through facials and professional treatments, but let's be real, time and money are big factors for most of us. So when I discovered the Dermrays Revive, I was completely blown away. This isn't just any skincare device. It's a powerful anti-aging laser that targets fine lines, wrinkles, and gives you that instant, youthful glow that we all want. It's simple to use and totally painless. It uses advanced LED technology to stimulate collagen and boost skin radiance, making it feel like you've had a professional facial right at home. After just a few weeks of using it, I noticed that my skin felt firmer, it looks brighter, and my fine lines are way less noticeable. As a professional, I can honestly say this is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get that beautiful glow, that youthful looking skin, and it's all just right at home in the convenience of your own bathroom, and it's super convenient. It's only a few minutes and then you're done. Ready to skip those expensive facials and give your skin that revival that it needs? The Dermrays Revive has become my go-to, and I'm sure it will be yours as well. If you give it a try, let me know. Let's glow together.